Hi, my name is Kevin, and this is my user story and user case explanation. I guess the biggest takeaway from this was understanding what Agile was and how it worked for me. I thought it was a really good takeaway. So in this portion, I'm just gonna talk about like how the difference between user story and user case using an example. So in a user story perspective, like an app that we're doing current now, like a virtual assistant for scheduling school schedules, um, the user story would just be the problems that this person is doing. For example, like creating a calendar application or creating a calendar format based on the student's given selected schedule, pair students up with other students, and technique used for studying methods. So usually what it means is like if they're really broad and they meet a very general standpoint point of view. Like this one, students can purchase monthly passes. A developer wouldn't really know what that means per se. It's really superficial that as a user in the outside world, yes, you would, but what does it mean to the programmer? How do you program something like this? So this is just like a outer layer of it, and then uh, the use case is when we jot it down and break it down into further pieces and talk about the cases themselves, right? So given the example I gave earlier, if we say that we're trying to take a user's enrolled schedule and create a schedule for it, right? What does that entitle for the programmer? I think what entitles for the programmer is that um, that programmer has to retain the state of the user selected course. So somehow he has to retain. He has to get a call from an API or for something gets the state of the student's classes, and then he builds upon the schedule for it. So then he will take that schedule and checks for certain dates if there's classes or not, um, any holidays, and then he would implement by pushing those classes into the schedule. Yeah, and I think we talked about how instead of using actual index cards, we're going to use Trello, which is almost the same. Yeah, thank you.